Hey everyone, welcome back to the By Reviews channel. Rove our 2-4K dual dashcam review, the ultimate 4K front and rear dashcam with Starvis 2 and 5G Wi-Fi. If you're looking for a high-quality, feature-packed dashcam that delivers crystal-clear 4K footage, the Rove our 2-4K dual dashcam is an outstanding choice. After testing it extensively, I can confidently say this is one of the best dashcams available right now, especially for its price. Here's why. White heavy checkmark stunning 4K plus FHD dual recording with Sony's Starvis 2 sensor. The front camera records in ultra-sharp 4K, 2160p, while the rear captures 1080p Full HD, both using Sony Starvis 2 sensors for superior low-light performance. Whether it's bright daylight or nighttime driving, the footage is crisp, detailed, and color-accurate, making license plates and road signs easily readable. White heavy checkmark blazing fast 5G Wi-Fi and easy app connectivity. The 5G Wi-Fi allows for lightning fast transfers, up to 20 megabytes per second, so you can quickly download footage to your phone via the Rove app. No more waiting around or dealing with slow transfers, just smooth, instant access to your recordings. White heavy checkmark free 128 gigabytes micro SD card included. Unlike most dash cams that make you buy storage separately, Rove includes a high-quality 128 gigabytes card right in the box, saving you money and hassle. White heavy checkmark reliable 24/7 parking mode with motion and impact detection. The 24-hour parking mode ensures your car is protected even when parked. With G-sensor impact detection and motion activation, it automatically records any collisions or suspicious activity. White heavy checkmark super clear 3-inch IPS display and user-friendly design. The 3-inch IPS screen is bright and responsive, making playback and settings adjustments easy. The compact, sleek design doesn't obstruct your view, and installation is a breeze. White heavy checkmark additional features worth mentioning. Heavy checkmark loop recording auto overwrites old footage. Heavy checkmark built-in supercapacitor for extreme temperature resistance. Heavy checkmark wide dynamic range, WDR, for balanced exposure. Heavy checkmark seamless dual-channel sync between front and rear cams. Crossmark minor drawbacks, but not deal breakers. The app could be slightly more polished, but it gets the job done. No built-in GPS, but you can add an external module if needed. Final verdict, 9.5/10, a must-have dashcam. The Rove our 2-4K dual dashcam is a top-tier choice for anyone who wants 4K clarity, reliable parking mode, fast Wi-Fi transfers, and excellent night vision. The free 128 gigabytes card and Sony Starvis 2 sensors make it an unbeatable value. Who should buy this? Heavy checkmark daily commuters. Heavy checkmark rideshare/Uber drivers. Heavy checkmark anyone who wants maximum security on the road. If you found this review helpful, like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Automobile dashing away.